Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Instagram app not working. So for that, there are a few ways how you can do this. First of all, open the Instagram and get logged into the account. Now, if you are having an issue that your Instagram account is not working, what you can do is you can restart your phone or tablet or any other device that you are trying to use Instagram. Then the second option is to check internet connection. After restarting your device does not help, please try using Instagram both on Wi-Fi and on your mobile data connection to see if the problem is because of weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. The third option is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application. You can go to the App Store. In the Android, you open the Google Play Store, tap on Instagram, tap on search. Now here you will see the Instagram application. You tap on uninstall and you uninstall the application. Now once the uninstallation is completed, you tap on install again and reinstall the application. Now once the installation is done, you tap on open and then get logged into the account. So these are the few ways how you can able to fix the Instagram app not working. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.